Hello my fellow beauty boffins. What's the secret behind Brainy Beauty's effectiveness? Ingredient number 1, medical grade lion's mane. Sourced from a specialized organic growing facility in Europe, our trademark lion's mane is unlike any other and combines both the fruiting body and mycelium powder. It is specifically grown using advanced growing techniques, unlike other lion's manes in the marketplace today. Ingredient number 2 is Creapure, creatine monohydrate. Creapure is the highest grade creatine in the world and comes from a dedicated facility in Germany. Creatine is well documented for improving cognitive function and performance, not just muscle stamina. We are the first brand in South Africa to use the power of creatine in a nootropic and the first company to use Creapure. Ingredient number 3, pharmaceutical grade Methylene Blue. Brainy Beauty was the first brand in South Africa to use Methylene Blue in a cognitive supplement. Methylene Blue makes your brain come alive and supports cellular mitochondrial energy, meaning your brain cells are fired up and ready to go. Methylene Blue has been around since the 1800s and has been studied extensively for various human wellness and health applications. Ingredient number 4 is Nictotinic Acid. Our flush niacin is a pure form of vitamin B3, which helps to shuttle all the other ingredients effectively through the blood-brain barrier, enhancing their effectiveness and bioavailability. Vitamin B3 is well documented for its effect on mental health.